Good morning, hope you're doing well. So it's just a video update to explain to you what is happening with LinkedIn search engine, which has drastically changed the past few days, and it started actually a few weeks ago. They started introducing AI based search, and a lot of the filters got removed. A lot of the filters got removed. I'm talking about like the public job, LinkedIn job board. And so search has changed, okay? So that's why I'm making this video to explain to you what are the implications for the scraper. Essentially, they are regarding the actor. There are four filters that are no longer supported by LinkedIn as a filter button. So, AKA that you can use them there, like it used to be. You can like click on the filter and then put the value that you want, right? Essentially, these filters are the job type, so whether it's full-time, part-time contract, experience level, and work type, and minimum salary. So these filters, what LinkedIn wants you to do right now, probably maybe they will introduce them later. I saw them because this AI search based was introduced a long time ago actually, but it was not as fixed as today. They were like testing in different region of and different period of time. So sometimes you can happen to be on this AI search, and sometimes you can be on the regular search. But nowadays, it seems like they really want to push that forever. Maybe they will change it in the future, but we'll see. Anyway, so regarding these four filters, the job type, expense level, work type, and minimum. So these are the only four filters that are concerned. The rest works as usual. And essentially, if I just want to tell you, like, if you use them, okay, if you were to build them and essentially use them in your query, whether it is in the keyword-based search or in your URL-based search, the actor will actually transform them into semantic queries. So what I mean by that, let's say you want to look for remote software developer role. Okay, I have a chart actually. Let's read through the chart. Okay, let's say you're looking for a software developer role. Okay, and you actually want remote software developer role. So what you will do, you will set the filter as remote, like you used to do before. But LinkedIn is no longer supporting this and wants you actually to rewrite your query as remote software engineer. So essentially, or something similar. Okay, it's like AI. It's like as if you were chatting with an LLM. So what the actor will do, it will do that under the hood if it sees that it is in AI-based search. If the research happens to be a regular search, the actor will know that and it will not apply this rewriting query. But if it is an AI search, then it will rewrite your query and redo a research, okay, with the semantic word. So let's say you select remote as a filters, it will do reword, and you look for software engineer, it will do remote software engineer. If you're looking for remote or hybrid role, it will do remote or hybrid software engineer. Engineer is there below. If you look only for a contract type, it will do contract software engineer, full-time contract, full-time or contract software engineer, entry level the same. For the experience level filter. And if you have like compound, you use like a bunch of these filters, it will do, let's say you select a remote and hybrid, contract, entry level, internship, associate. It will do remote or hybrid, contract, entry level, or internship or associate software engineer. Obviously, if you don't want that and you want to have full control and you don't want the actor to do this rewriting query, and the best way for you to do that is to remove these filters and you want to test it yourself, then you actually create the keyword search that you want. And yeah, that's the life of web scraping in general. If the website decides to change, then you have to adapt yourself. And I can't invent the filter because I don't have access to the LinkedIn database, unfortunately. I will just make a test run just for you to see. So let's say I'm looking for software developer role in New York and I want only remote job. Okay, so I will go there, work type, set remote in the last 24 hours, and the 10 applicants. Yeah. So these are the only filters I'm using. The rest is not relevant for the script. Just for the script to finish fast, I would just put 150 and I would just start like that. Essentially, just I want to show you the URL that is generated actually by the scraper. So this is the original URL. Now the scraper will probably stumble on the AI search and then it will generate another search URL which will incorporate the remote keyword, just like this one. So this actually is the one that we are looking at. Okay, so let's open it in the private window. I will see the actual query. So this is the query I made, okay, in the past 24 hours, and then it will scrape and essentially this query, and LinkedIn will return what it believes to be remote. Okay, so this one we know it's remote. It says there. So you have to be mindful that it can give hybrid jobs too, you know, because LinkedIn probably is not just looking at the fixed, because the job, the one who posts the job are not necessarily putting all the details. You know, it puts just the description and maybe forgets to put like probably there is a field to say is your job remote, is your full time, or whatever. They don't put it. Sometimes they put it, sometimes they don't, and it's based on the description. And even if they put like hybrid, based on the job description, maybe LinkedIn will understand somehow that it can be remote too. So unfortunately, this is where my expertise stop. You know, like I cannot go beyond that because I cannot enforce LinkedIn to just give me a remote job, except that I can give him hint that I want remote jobs. Maybe it's not the most optimal way to get it, and this is why I suggest to you that you test it. Okay, maybe if you are not satisfied with the result, you actually test yourself on LinkedIn job engine until you find like a query that is what fits the best for you, and you remove the filters in your URL. Okay, what I mean by that, let's say you are using URL based search. Okay, all right, so I want to show you how a run I did with like only URL based. Okay, this one. So I gave this URL. Okay, by default LinkedIn will basically give you that. Okay, as a result, it has remote filters. Okay, remote job filter, which is there, work type 2, but it does not, it is not applied. Okay, it is not applied. And how it transformed the query, okay, to essentially this one. Okay, keyword remote full stack developer. Okay, so it kind of like not using this filter because LinkedIn is not understanding, and it embedded the word remote there. Okay, so when you search on this one, it will give you this essentially query with these jobs. Okay, so it will give you remote full stack developer, Swakio, whatever, and generally the job are remote. Okay, but you can get like unwanted result. It can happen. And actually, even if you do the same query twice at the same moment, you can get a different result. This is how unstable it is. But generally, it tries its best to match the filters or the semantic of the query. But in both cases, it works. Whether you use the URL-based search or the keyword, it will transform with the filter that are problematic. It will transform this query in semantic search that LinkedIn is now understanding it. Regarding one filter that is actually maintenance is minimum salary, because I found this filter is on the moment not really working, actually not working at all, except if you happens to get like a regular search, if LinkedIn is offering that again. But right now this filters is not working because I found it pretty is the most unstable. The other one you get actual decent result, a decent result. If you are not getting decent result, then feel free to open an issue and share the run. But again, you're blocked with you kind of blocked with LinkedIn how they behave. But I will do my best, hopefully, to help you resolve your issue. But this is just a quick message for you to tell you that LinkedIn has changed is search engine. So we have to adapt, and this is the first iteration. If you find better way to create better semantic query, feel free to share it too. I'm sure other people will benefit from that, and myself too. And if you like the actor, guys, feel free to leave a review. It helps the actor growing and also show some support, because I am alone behind this actor. I'm doing my best. I receive emails, I receive issue every day, and it's not easy, but it's good. It's good. Essentially, even though it's not even my full-time job, but I know this actor is important for people, and I wish to help you in your business. If you find this actor useful, feel free to leave a review, and I wish you a great day and all the best. Bye bye.